Hi guys, happy new year and happy birthday Asha. I'm really sorry that I'm sending this late, but what I have to say about, but I could not afford to miss this. What I have to say about Toastmasters Club is it is the only club probably in my life which is so close to my heart. I have also been a part of other Toastmasters, but I have met the best people in TCS over here. Each of a Toastmaster possesses a special quality, something that the club can vouch for, something that they can vouch for. Like for example, Milan, he's an all-rounder. He's an intelligent guy. He can hack almost everything on the world, and on top of that, he's an excellent speaker. Guys, you all of you might be knowing Sarba. She is very famous, and she is like one of a kind person, the kind of person I had never met. Most of you would never have met. She's full of kindness, philanthropy, and wherever she goes she makes people happy around. Then coming to Asha, she's I have never heard a speaker like her who could connect mythology to everything. Mythology, spiritualism. There are others like Mahamaya, who is so full of life. Santosh, who is the speaker who speaks with a lot of content, but he speaks in a lower voice. He does not speak often. Santosh, mind it. I hope you are giving your speeches and you might have filed your CC by now. Ankit, he is the best VP Ed the club could ever get. Oh, I'm sorry, Anvesha, I'm not being partial to you, but Ankit is a mixture of the stern qualities and the happy, bubbly, and the energetic guy. And Sunny, he has left the club. He was also a great friend, and there are the list goes on. Each and every person who joins this club is a wonderful person. He or she makes the club a wonderful place. So for all of you who have joined, who don't know me, who have joined the club, grow as a speaker, and this helps you in growing as a human being. On a personal front, Toastmasters Club has given me a lot. Like those who don't know, it is my Toastmaster account was also famous for my love story. My husband, he's also a Toastmaster. I'll include him in the video. He's not around, and I'm doing good. I hope you all are doing good. I miss you all, and I miss Toastmasters Club too much in Hyderabad. There's no Toastmaster Club in the office I work for. I'm trying to get a new one, and for